Hi, how are you? We're going out muna po. We're going out! Coming back. We'll try to come back early. Yeah! Daddy. Love it. Bye, ma. Big message na lang po.
Big, I say
We're going to eat for Sam's birthday. We are going to go to BBC later.
Dalawang fried rice. Bisag ko sa. Sabi niya,
Oh, smile! Oh, wish for
Kung
some.
ipa-choy.
Wish for some.
I wish for more blessings, good health, and happy life.
Edward.
happy birthday, more blessings and good health. Happy birthday, more blessings, more health.
And coming
Happy birthday, Kuya Sam. We miss you. Good health. Happy life.
Babati
More
daw ulit si
flus.
Donna. Happy birthday, Sam. Si Donna daw ulit. Birthday pala ni Sam. Happy birthday, Sam.
Saudi Ramadan na buhay.
Happy birthday, Sam.
More blessings and good health.
More blessings and good health.
Wish you all
And
guys.
Daddy. Hello.
Happy birthday, Sam. And Happy New Year.
Kasi diba yung announcer nila?
Kung may pata, happy birthday sa amin.
Birthday, Sam. Happy New Year.
Wala pa. Happy birthday, Kuya Sam.
At nung kakilala mo.
Stay healthy.
Kasi ito yung chimichurri din.
Magkano yung nabook mo? Para sa date din.
Ramen. But not spicy.
Japanese to, Japanese.
Japanese ramen.
Kasi nakonfirm ko pa yung date ko. Hindi ko pa papas na ko. Eh ngayon, confirm na. Kailangan. Kasi sayang din yung 100%.
Meron nga din silang yung sabi mo,
Chicken shumai.
Kasi ako nagpapakain.
This is chicken shumai.
Pag nakakita na nila mga tao.
Ano yung ganun yung dalawa?
Kasi pag nakita ko yung sabi niya.
Kasi basa po siya kanina. So, nilagyan nila na.
Siopaw.
25.
wala pa.
Bibigyan mo pa ramen.
Kung saan makabili na.
Paano mo malalaman na mas?
And this one? Are you going to use?
Ano daw to, yung fish?
Mandarin, oo. One week.
Eating now.
Tunay na nga.
Ang Philippines?
Open na. Si Baha. Sunod niya. Baha.
What's on your plate?
Tunay na daw talaga.
Naglagay ako doon.
Get ka pa?
Oo.
So, sinabi ko doon kay Abby.
Magkano yung verification?
Sabi ko, same employer.
May kain pa. May kanin pa dito.
Tulo siomay. Here,
Tuesday pa na namin na kumakain sa
Baka nag-celebrate ko sila.
Ano lang ba ito ate? Ito Shanghai.
We're going home. So we ate here for Sam's birthday. We're going home now. We're going to. This is Escon signing off. Thanks for watching, my dear friends. Have a wonderful day.